Hello student, today again I am with you to summarize the 10th class second poem Fire and Iced. Last poem you learned, which is composed by American well-known poet Robert Frost. Again here, Fire and Iced is composed by Robert Frost. He is well-known American poet, and in this poem Robert Frost take two contrast element, first fire and second iced. Opening line of poem: some say the world will end in fire, some say in iced. Here is two words, first fire and second iced. Some say. Here poet didn't mention who say. Some say means some people. Some people say that world will end in fire. Here fire means desire. Some say in iced. Some people say world will end in iced. Here is ice is not burnt, but here used for hat. रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट बता रहे हैं कि कुछ लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि संसार का एक दिन अंत हो जाएगा और अंत होने की वजह, संसार के नष्ट होने की वजह क्या रहेगी? फायर रहेगी, मीन्स डिजायर रहेगी. डिजायर मीन्स विश, तृष्णा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा चीजों को प्राप्त करने की जो एक लालसा बनी रहेगी, वो एक दिन इस संसार को क्या कर देगी? नष्ट कर देगी. बट सम पीपल से वर्ल्ड विल एंड इन हेड. लेकिन कुछ लोग ये बता रहे हैं कि संसार का अंत है वो हेड के द्वारा हो जाएगा. लोगों में इतनी घृणा की भावना होगी एक दूसरे से, उससे भी संसार का अंत हो जाएगा. इन थर्ड लाइन, from what I have tested of desire. Here is one used, tested. Tested means experienced. Here poet refer his one experienced. He also have experienced about desire. Poet यहाँ पे ये बता रहा है कि मुझे भी इस desire का इतना अनुभव है. So I hold with those who favor fire. इसलिए मैं उन लोगों के सपोर्ट में खड़ा हूं. फेवर मीन्स टू सपोर्ट. तो those people who support the desire, ऐसे लोग जो ये बता रहे हैं कि डिजायर के कारण संसार का अंत हो जाएगा, तो पोएट उनकी बात से सहमत है. He was agree with who support desire. Next in second stanza, but it had to perish twice. Perish means die, and twice means two times. Here poet said that if it had twice, if world will end second time, यदि वर्ल्ड का अंत दोबारा होता है, एक बार और ऐसा मौका आता है जब संसार का अंत हो रहा होता है. Here he used satire that what happened? I think I know enough of hate. Then poet said, I know sufficient about hate. कि मैं घृणा के बारे में भी उतना जानता हूं. So to say that the destruction iced is also great and would suffice. Suffice means be sufficient. पोएट से यस कि यदि संसार का अंत सेकेंड टाइम होता है, देन आई हैव सफिशिएंट नॉलेज अबाउट इट, आई हैव एनफ नॉलेज अबाउट इट. देन जो आइस है, आइस मीन्स हेट, घृणा भी इस संसार को नष्ट करने में पर्याप्त है. आई थिंक you all are understood this poem. Let us we see rhyme scheme of poem. In last poem you know what is the rhyme scheme. Last words pronunciation here use fire, so we used fire, A. Second word, last words, ice. Ice is not similar to fire, so we mention it B. Fire iced. Second, desire is similar to fire, so we mention A. Again, fire, we used A. So rhyme scheme of first stanza, A, B, A, 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 B, A. In second stanza, here is twice. Twice is similar to ice, so we mention it B. Hat, here is no any word which is similar to hat, so we mention it C. Again, a repeated ice, we mention here ice to be, so we write down B. Next, great is similar to pronunciation head, so we write down here C. And last, sufficed is similar to twice, so we write down here B. The rhyming scheme of second stanza, B, C, B, C, B. So at present you haven't any textbook, so write down this poem in your notebook, as well as write down the whole word meanings and rhyme scheme in your notebook. Thank you very much.